How to copy the bookmarks from your Chrome browser. So in this video today I'm going to show you some methods that you can easily copy or import export your existing bookmarks to the new computer or new browser. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Let me go on my browser. So guys, there is some methods, as I told you, few methods, so I will show one by one. First, easy, you can use your Google account. You can start synchronize your bookmarks to your Google account, and when you switch to the new computer or new browser, you can easily backup your all bookmarks and settings. So how you can do this? Just log in with your Google account and go to the profile icon on your Chrome toolbar, and here you can just synchronize. You have to on this, then this will be on. Now go to the manage, go to the click on synchronize. Sorry. Okay, click on this synchronizing on, click on it, then you will see the all synchronizes start, and here you can see the manage what you synchronize. So here you can see by default you can synchronize everything, and bookmark also there, so it will be synchronized all setting, themes, reading list, open tabs, everything. So if you want to customize, you can customize, and you can also off if you don't want anything from here, and keep on if you want bookmarks and all. Okay, so this is the first method. You can start the copy the bookmarks. So I will show you the another way. Okay, so second method is you simply export your bookmark. So how you can do this? Go to three dot option, go to the more tools, and here go to the bookmarks and go to the manage your bookmarks, and here you can see the all folders. This is by default folder, and I have created a subfolder also. So this is two folders by default. So select your one folder here and go to this three dot option and go to the export. So it will be export here. Just save to your computer, just save it and select the another folder and also export it and just save it. Okay, after save, come to the new computer, a new device or new browser, come to the same path, or you can say same place, and just click on, and now we need to import it, and you have to select that exported file and just click and open. It will be export here. Okay, so you have to copy this exported file in your external device, and you can import to the new browser by importing it to the new browser. Okay, you can import it from the your device. So this is the second method, and the both method is very useful. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.